Alright, y'all, so I want to be more active on my stories, so hey y'all, hey. But anyways, I have this has been going for a whole month now. So this is my tincture. This is for headaches, and then I have another one that is going to be for womb wellness. So if you guys are having troubles with your period, your fertility, just overall women's health, this one's going to be for you, baby. And if you are a person that has a lot of headaches and migraines, this one's going to be for you. And of course, in 2026, I will be dropping more of these. But for now, we're just going to start off with two of them, and that is headaches, and that is for our womb. I have a lot of people that come to me about PCOS, reoccurring yeast infections and BV and all of that stuff. Bow, womb wellness is your go-to if you want to do tinctures. And I also have some teas that y'all probably already know about. I'll show y'all the teas. Wait a minute. When I really say that I'm the goat, I ain't gonna say I'm the goat yet, but I'm getting there. But I just want to show y'all, like, I literally, they go to goldenrod is turned into like seeds or whatever, but like when I say literally, I literally have over 100 herbs back there. And don't get it twisted, just because y'all see that 2 stacked high, it is what, 4 rows back on top of that. So 2 stacked high, 4 rows deep. So yeah, and the same thing goes for that. Some of these are actually stacked 3 high, as you can see. That's stacked. I got a couple that stacked 3 high, and I got the same process on the thing. So I have 3 full shelves of herbs, and then my powders are up there. We got sea moss, and we got honey back there. So yeah, baby, don't play with me. I got you. And don't get it twisted. 1, 2, 3, 4. I got 4 totes fulls of different type of herbs. This is just the overstock that can't fit inside of my jars, but I am fully stocked up on herbs, y'all. Don't play with me.